When it comes to upgrading your home, installing new windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make. New windows enhance your home's energy efficiency, improve its curb appeal, and increase the overall value of your property. However, as with any major home improvement project, the quality of the installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. For homeowners in Eagle, Idaho, professional window installation by local experts is key to ensuring that your windows perform at their best and provide the maximum benefits. In this article, we'll explore why professional window installation matters and why you should choose local window experts for your next project. Ensuring proper fit and function. One of the most significant advantages of hiring local window experts in Eagle, ID, is the guarantee of a proper fit and function for your new windows. Every home is unique, and window installation requires precision to ensure that each window fits perfectly within the frame. An improperly installed window, even if it's a high-quality model, can lead to air leaks, drafts, and difficulty opening or closing the window properly. Local window experts have extensive experience working in the Eagle area and are familiar with the specific requirements of homes in this region. They are skilled in measuring, fitting, and installing windows to ensure they perform as intended. Whether you're replacing a window in a modern home or a historic property, professionals will ensure that the window is securely installed, sealed, and aligned correctly to maximize both performance and aesthetics. Energy efficiency and saving. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose to replace their windows is to improve energy efficiency. New windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, can drastically reduce heat loss in the winter and minimize heat gain in the summer. However, the benefits of energy-efficient windows will be lost if they are not installed correctly. Proper installation is essential for preventing air leaks and ensuring that your windows contribute to your home's energy efficiency. If your windows are installed improperly, you may still experience drafts or temperature fluctuations, negating the potential energy savings. Local window experts in Eagle, ID, have the knowledge and experience to install windows that maximize insulation and prevent energy loss. They understand the region's climate and will ensure that your new windows are fully optimized to keep your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. Compliance with local codes and regulations. Every city and state has its own building codes and regulations when it comes to window installation. In Eagle, ID, it's essential that your window installation complies with local codes to ensure that the work is done legally and safely. Professional window installers are familiar with these regulations and will ensure that your new windows meet all necessary building codes, including those related to structural integrity, energy efficiency, and safety. Hiring local experts means that you're working with professionals who understand the specific requirements for homes in the Eagle area. They will obtain any required permits, ensure that the windows are installed to code, and avoid any potential issues that could arise from improper installation. By hiring a licensed, insured installer, you also protect yourself from potential fines or complications in the future. Long-term durability and warranty protection. when you invest in new windows, you want to be sure they'll last for many years. Professional window installation not only ensures that the windows are properly fitted and sealed but also helps maintain the integrity of the manufacturer's warranty. Most window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties can be voided if the windows are not installed correctly. Local window experts in Eagle, ID, are trained to handle window installations according to the manufacturer's specifications. This ensures that your windows are installed properly and that the warranty remains intact. Additionally, professional installers often provide their own warranties on their workmanship, giving you peace of mind that the job will be done right the first time. Should any issues arise after installation, you can rely on the professionals to address the problem promptly and without hassle. Time and cost saving. While some homeowners may be tempted to attempt a DIY window installation, the reality is that improper installation can lead to costly mistakes and delays. Incorrectly installed windows can lead to problems such as poor insulation, water leakage, and even damage to the window or surrounding structure. These issues can require expensive repairs and replacements down the line. Hiring local window experts ensures that the installation is completed efficiently and correctly the first time. Experienced professionals have the right tools, skills, and knowledge to get the job done quickly and to a high standard, saving you both time and money. Additionally, they will handle the disposal of old windows and ensure that the work area is cleaned up after installation, saving you the hassle of doing it yourself. Knowledge of local climate and conditions. Eagle, ID, experiences a mix of hot summers and cold winters, which can place specific demands on your windows. Local window experts understand the impact of these weather conditions and can recommend the best window types and materials for your home. Whether you need windows that are specially designed to withstand extreme temperatures or windows that offer better soundproofing against noisy surroundings, local experts can help you choose the right options based on your needs and the local climate. By working with professionals who know the area, you can be confident that your new windows will be tailored to provide optimal performance and comfort in your home. Conclusion. When it comes to replacing your windows, proper installation is just as important as choosing the right windows for your home. Hiring local window experts in Eagle, ID, ensures that your windows are installed correctly, enhancing energy efficiency, comfort, and security. With their knowledge of local building codes, climate conditions, and industry best practices, professional installers provide a seamless experience that protects your investment and ensures long-term satisfaction. Whether you're upgrading your home's appearance or improving energy efficiency, local window experts are the key to a successful window installation project.